Your appointees will make the government unpopular for attacking cocoa farmers. Uko media na say we see journalist abe clash with John Mahama and NDC governor mu chiro mu say how are appointees ni bi esi ni cocoa akuafo di nkomo no omo anhwe ya omo government ni be unpopular omo she cocoa akuafo abufuo mema nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mesro say any demo obe like video no other ma subscribe button stand by click notification kono process update na ba kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section so ba so no she for so enya bia hwe so ye nyina wo krom ha no mo na abran NDC for 80 fie in fact na omunim oman ni hu nimdie bia omu onyansa de kire oman konkon gan because omu ti fie no omu nsema na omu kan e kire se na omu nimode omu ni afi ya de oman ne hye omu nsema betima kire the issue of cocoa Mahama promise omu pi ese NDC nkwa na wa ban mu afi bia ye tu cocoa buo mu na menim afi bia na tu cocoa buo mu na omu kan ho asem menim ensema na Mahama e kan ho asem de because open so 2016 ufra kunya so na cocoa bag at 4.750 just 475 Ghana cedis eti menim afi bia ntumu ana Mahama e kan ho asem de obetena kunya so 4 years no at the end of 4 years na cocoa buo bag etan ko do just 475 Ghana cedis but Mahama was able to convince cocoa farmers say omu NDC nkwa na wa ban mu afi bia omu tu cocoa buo na menim I might say they said a lot concerning cocoa farmers. Omu promise omu pay ye. Like we say the air cost of Ghana had cocoa akuafo esu. Omu etini so. Omu say na say omu de cocoa akoma crash for if November besi ne. Omu nte hwe aban no emphasis kamai 80. If ma carry 50 bars 200 bars. Sikana loki cocoa crash for hono mo. Ama media so de bia we share omu videos ni bi. Suwa ne say omu so. Na wonim de tie. Almost no on set miracles aboaje ekwohia kokwa akuafo bi onwura mu ekwoti omusun eno mama ne hunu e de betu dwa e magana fo huye na eno this volunteer dem say an kokwa akuafo nya dede na omoye no na aban ni obi aka omatua obi aka na omu claim say aban ni du omu ka no eye MPB for omu ya card bearing members omu na ye da jandam no just to make the government unpopular just to make this party unpopular in office na omu nya din ko aban ni kokko kwani biaka omatua obi aka aye say akuafo ni isu se omu di kokko akwa akrajefo akwa kere aban ni physical major akrajefo nya sika ntuo ka but NDC communicators any food soldiers chire mu se omunya dede na omoye no na ye jandam bi no omoye e whole lot of them e this that no ana journalist ne ka kire Mahama say so mo ne na ho no mu a kwan na appointees no ene ne communicators edi kokwa for fast for Ghana ha no mu manhwe ya their government will go down as the most unpopular government in Ghana.
NDC for abadaye ene tema eni omumu enti ne akuafo ne cocoa farmers famu no omo mfili because baby omote no omo ho to omo say tan omo didi free omo nya fuel free omo so electricity free water free enti ne akuani komu wo wuram no ono no wonim the way sitie enti omfili makuafo enti se asem aba na ye ka ho asem oman no kwa penisie mu ne ente se cocoa akuafo ado omo cocoa omo atwa omo ahata omo de abase aban nanyi cocoa no no omo sika aban agi cocoa no omo sika ankasa de omo nsankae ayam hihie ne nkwana da weesem we yaba ye ka ho asem a wabenya ho abetre studio ha abo coat ba betwa ntro se Ghana ha 3 years etwa mu a ye ntua cocoa akuafo da watwa tro ne ente se ye correct ukura wo se still ado onto ho ase a jump from cocoa ho asem aba e de akwa akosi galamsey chese wonim Ghana ha no wadane armchair communicator on kwabontin confisi for information na se ye ka galamsey wo mamu ha de a me pacho ebrebe na Alhaji Fuseni ye minister for lands was sate operation Galopstone na ebrebe na nye John Mahama 2013-2014 that time na MPP na no power and so what ha wonim because he's an armchair communicator on seeking for information abra John Mahama ne penso and na galamsey ti atese wo mamu a e ma ote ne sector minister friend honorable Fuseni akokoti operation Galam stop no omodi chase Galam say for me nua ne te ha onim and so wabetena ha so oba be communicate akere Ghana for because of what didn't trading animuti no na sem bi obeka wa ha bi anye no kore adame asem na aba ne kokko akuafo omunye bone bia o mo fa kokko akuafo so da mo di bedi aban yi so tro kese a mo di kire kokko akuafo na nya asem ketwa mo ka ya ka kosi su se na nado danko akufo ade ne naban ne tiri mu odin onwiri kokko akuafo ho enti sa bre no kora na wo mu wom no ne sese na nado danko akufo ado eto kokko one bag 6,000 Ghana cedis na se na nado to kokko no 3,100 Ghana cedis na chere se wo ye sisifo ne tiri mu odin na onwiri akuafo ho na se wo nya kwanya no na se wo ba se akuafo no to abama na se wo ba eyade a obeto wo mu kokko no 6,000 Ghana cedis which is 60 million all currency so am to abama ama akuafo ni nya mu gidie ekosan live ekokoto abama yewura John Mahama any NDC enya me no ka say sa 3,100 no kura wo ha ko mo pe because say wo mu kokko no aye ready sika kura wo de beto kokko no amu wo mu so nsako wo mu anokura no wo mu ni bi mu ni ani wo mu ntime ma me pachew entre kokko akuafo Randiabe and why are the Yama many aso one because okotre TV3 akopa akuafo nyina achew se ba bia duro no de nim koto jogu fam opakuafo achew na ye wo mo na de sa no mi wei aba beto Ghana for so enti wo mo fa nche na plans are far advanced say omo be hwe so omo betoto niema that is a leader not a communicator who will come and push blame on someone or no a opposition person. Now wa ba mu no wontime nka bibia be makuafo ebo ato omo yam odame abra yewura John Mahama ofra konwam 2016 na kokko bag baako yeto no 475 cedis 475 cedis ana yewura John Mahama na petu no to kokko bag baako e de makuafo na nado danko akufo ado baaye no wa move kokko no from 475 Ghana cedis ekokodu 3,100 Ghana cedis minuanom eka say still na nado danko akufo ado ni tiri mu oten e deceive akuafo say na nado danko akufo ado nyine wo mo na ka ye ka ne papa mu pa wo na wo to kokko bag baako 475 cedis eni obi a oto kokko bag baako 3,100 Ghana cedis woni ni mienu hwa na enipa bonini why na dwi akuafo ho why na dwi kokko fama ho enso ni nyina echi no omo kodi ntro kire kokko fo no wo afuom kokko asese na nado danko akufo ado ni tiri mu odin na omo de omo ba kokko one bag omo beto na 3,000 omo beto na 6,000 Ghana cedis enne akuafo anya omo gidie na waba na omo kokko beto ma omo even old price no kra fato wo ma omo woni bi because of power play e was kokko board Randiabe and the marketing managing director or be aso your boss. It's you John Mahama or pursue a say near Kosu Cocoa board on tay. On tay the ania, your panichawa, oh, wada onyane. Nana appointees now appointing one cocoa board or more contokwa. I'm a Ghana quapinisium, I'm a Nekoko, Satam one $8,000. Our man on it. I necessary a cotton cocoa. Now your cocoa guano moko. Afeya omo resolve omo issue ni we no and omo se omo aboga na bro ama se kokko no atie free $8,000 and the about $4,000 it is they say Ghana koto kokko na e what is here na ye bebo ka $1.5 billion yeah aka ye bebo no na che se Randiabe and the marketing manager I appoint omo about power struggle am ya boka $1.5 billion such an incompetent government and appointees omo nwe wo man no omo yam omo afu and na omo nya sika ma omo fom amena ayawa so buy election ba nipa ba ko a wo kwa akoto abatimi nya 30,000 Ghana cedis 30,000 Ghana cedis and ya wanya information no wrong nipa ba ko koto aba wo ayawa so is nipa ba ko bia nya 30,000 Ghana cedis every contestants no ho yes Bakuma 5,000 Ghana cedis wanted. You okwaje ya na okura TV no. Onu ana na kasame wo video no wa. Eche candidate no ni obi atu aye. Wo se ansana baba jama ebe ma TV no na obi adika tua 5,000 dada obi ama motorbike baako obi ama emu sack no 25 kilos no 2222 wasa ma gallon yellow one kese no baako kikani nyina bom ene moto baako okọ car price here koto a ebi 18,000 17,000 ekwa akosi 20,000 moto baako
engineer pass delegate bia nya moto
obi nya moto baako ana delegate bia nya Nasco TV 32 inches ana delegate bia nya 2 bags of rice 25 kilo mienu ana anwa kese baako no kofo gallon no so baako ana mwanya sika ma koko kwiafo sika ana mode ya buy elections edi no funya mo nyina kwiafo ye koka wote ya
ben eye de na baba jama nyama anase election mo ye premise omo ye waso east wo de ebe dwane koko se sa sika na omo de
hopeless expenditure because abra no omo oppositions no omo contest elections no baba jama this is not the first time our contest elections.
Yes,
other people this is not the first time our contest elections. And what they say watch TV order
so every year
no it's not about every year but na
me see ebeba ho ye
enti ya besra ye papa John Mahama yesra no me ne ha me ne say koko akuafo no omo bre omo su maame ba kwa me hwe ni video enra o say wo 81 years
yes
koko no waya from the mofrem abedu samri enu no didididi wati ni koko no e show kire cameras no 31 bags ba kokura ni wonu mo say okọ ba bia okopa bosia no omo ka kire ni say koko no omo to 10 bags na say aban no tuya no ka ba ko bi omo beti ni 600 Ghana cedis which is profit sika no omo to de ama no say ye to koko no omo be dis kana cocoa bag back be on better profit of 600 Ghana cedis. Ni awon kobo ne ho bosia no because kobo ne ho bosia no ensi ho no 600 Ghana cedis cocoa baako. It's because of that you know what the cocoa no enum bag num ekokoji loan. It is say bag num no saban ni tua ne ka maame abrewa no e yade a baba better the 3,000 Ghana cedis because of you that John Mahama any NDC for the incompetent ama maame na boka 3,000 Ghana cedis we nya rewosem enya dia ekum nipa na yete ha ye kasa obeka se ye na ye prenso koko abiafo ye nti omoka 3 years utwa dro no wada woti wani nso ogusu utwa dro adentia John Dramani ma
emra ne memo aye din wo economy nim nurses areas 11 months intimintia teachers areas intimintia koko farmers aye dramatic koko akotoma ban intimintia youth employment for Malik Basantali I'm told so over 4 months intimintia omoka NADMO staff aye fa won from last year aban we yanka so so far and go from kan over 1 year intimintia omoka enima why din electricity bill cost ensure cost no aban we main concern is about renaming airport to rename say Ghana for say we love the populism and near me hu hia enko an ye hu nti no this government emra enima why din a and na your oil revenue aircom and then you go the good bank of Ghana so what say or TV policy or the very dress ko be fa so be sika no there twetwa near me so twetwa no renaming and hia no and then the airtel say Kotoka International Airport no Kotoka fi wa ye Accra International Airport and they say nkan for Kotoka no nkrani enti do be bia na dey ho dey mpie ho but they are very important things but this government who say ye pe showmanship no so be hu na ya share military uniform say president military uniform e fata no e go for the share yank e fata no e go for do share e fata no no ye zipline say ya say abayewa bi wo Nigeria wo aka no ama anti-snake bite mo anya nke Ghana ha nke by a click of a button na drone and wiem de anti-snake bite na kosa hospital man kede awon e bia nke ge won tempem ye na ye ba ye ya sell a whole professor of medicine titled be you NDC MP for one of the northern constituencies say Zeppelin refer condoms into ne hu hia amene ya Zeppelin basa enema na ke working under MPP na ye ba ya sell ni nyina ama de ye concern ye hu won say president share military uniform e fata no say fata no na ye kwan mai e ma electricity so te Malik Basantali me from wo be ye du no share green no share dark green no share blue nin own staff ye for sika kwan beneficiaries kwa kuntia what I said so if a government engages in politics populism as an opposition party even though you are in government so na governance na hu hia no bu na wo mo ani koso a see ya na betu yen na be nyema koi ye be sre these for say be sre mu mon pet plan bi a mo de be savage the situation na mun tua djuma foka mun tua cocoa farmers ka mun tua nurse foka o ma yes mun tua mo mun tua na bo foka mun tua ye foka sabe economy mo den na electricity cost nsuo cost rent skyrocketing and the school fees in Kwaramo DHS ne primary school and universities school fees are you training na sem ketwa e be sabai they must survey the situation ni nja populism ne sheshe military uniform no no fa duane mbre o man yo fa djuma emre 24-hour economy ekosi sen mo implemented that policy no mo man kwara nko adwuma anopa na ebi pon na ebi nko awia na ebi pon na ebi nko anajo. That is what you promise them. Yinja populism bagana for ka kire mo and I'm still waiting mo pedo you heard it this year in the massive.
Look, Nyame Odogano, once upon a time I used to export pineapples.
Wow.
I used to export pineapples into Europe. And anytime Ghanaian pineapples got onto the market, it attracted the premium. Why? The quality.
Yeah.
There's something in our soils that make what we grow better than any other. A cocoa bean is better than Côte d'Ivoire. Our pineapple is better than Côte d'Ivoire. But we don't take advantage of the richness of our soils to do what? To add value to our products and to export and make more money for our country. So for me, I would not, and I take what Wanda says, the NDC have come into power to do what?
To solve
problems. My good friend Randy should solve the problem. The president put him there because the president felt he had the wherewithal to be a cocoa board. Solve the problem with your board chairman. Stop the politics. Cocoa farmers are people we depend on. It's only a few months ago I saw Tetekwashi statue at, Tetekwashi roundabout. Long overdue. It's high time we don't treat cocoa farmers the way we are treating cocoa farmers, because they have sustained this country for a long time.
Right.
It's only nowadays we are getting oil and we are, gold. And gold. We are trying to do gold. We should be able to solve this problem once and for all. And please, and it's a good thing that we are IMF. Like, what would we do? Loan. This is a situation where now we can't go for loan. Let's solve it. And for me, to solve this problem, let's add value.
Chirajo mami, comment section. How you Penyah Media.